Yay!
You want to see?
Yeah.
Hey, those who need orientation, si Mayi ka mo?
Tuwa na kay ba? Naka-try na sa kami.
Kuan, kanang, kinsa may nakaduwa ng pickleball with the rules and everything.
Nanay. Nanay
Direct,
pero.
sige, so, kanang, we're in siya mix of tennis and
Badminton.
ping pong and
Ping pong.
badminton. Okay, and then, on the line, ang bola, in na sa, on the line, ang bola, in.
Gracious God, our loving Heavenly Father, thank you for this time, Lord, that we can play together sa pickleball for Tatay's Open Tournament, dear God.
Okay, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
State your name.
Do hereby solemnly swear. And give official.
And game official.
I will act.
Full commitment.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
For every win, regular win lang, that is 1 point. Here's a rating. For every win nga ma-slide to, that is 3 points. And for every pickle, so 0 ang kontra niya, 11 mo, kay that will be 5 points. And then mo siya lang here. Pero team game man siya. So for every game, nagid siya kanang murag team rating here.
Score.
Yeah, so the highest team rating will win.
Announcement. Na ay prize. Courtesy ni Tita Pinky o ni Tatay. Champion nga team na ay 5,000. Ang runner-up na ay 2,000. And every participant will receive 100 pesos. Win or lose, na amoy madala.
Happy birthday,
Let's start again.
First pair kay Jerome and Luis versus Tatay and Tulips. Umpire kay ako. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ano man na siya?
Hinaglihok ba yung
Oo.
malinggering?
Mo na champion sila kay na-underestimate man si Tatay.
Tumusod, no? Ay.
Question.
Kanang, kumusta inyong first match?
It's really a
Fathers.
tough match and we try to see to it that we can score.
Nga na-win? Kamo ba first pair na-win? Second day. Ang sa inyo ang strategy and yun sa ninyo pagkuhan.
Communication. Trust in the Lord. Huh?
Wala, nananasad.
7 sila?
Nice! 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 Ah! Yay! Yay! Game!
Tignan ito. Minutes po.
Unsay feeling nga na-lose ta by 2 points and unsay feeling nga na-win? Unsay ni strategy?
A very good game.
Ang strategy, yan ako i-reveal kay kana magkontra man may Chule.
Pero sa mga kontra. Next. Kasi ikaw ba ninyo?
Daddy Ray, behind is Inday.
Hala. Oh boy.
Out! 4-6-1. Nice yan! Nice! 11-4.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice one.
Banto, 30 seconds. Na! Game. Nice one. Nice one, Jerome. Go. Yes!
I think the same si Tatay.
Okay. Yay! Go, Shuji! Na! Oh! Ah, very good. Ah!
Wow! You cannot get that. Lowell, the best team white player. Second to Tatay. Tatay, the best player because he is a birthday boy. Serve. Wow. Bang. Matira kay mga kuhan ba? Final game na mo gani? Wow! Wow! Nice game!
Nice here. 3, 2, 1, smile. Yana, smile. Okay. Gani Inday? Sige, go.
I'm collecting. Okay, let's see sa ilang skin. Meron.
May nanilatanan mga Filipino staff. Nananti si Shuji, si Dia, si Yana. You like the food?
Really, ako i-dictate ang mga scores.
Na, kasi before ka mag-score, hanap kong tag 100 sa nanuwa.
Here. Sige, one game to.
Okay, inside team captain.
Problemas really, guys. So,
Listen. Minor award.
ang ganda eh.
Best in acrobatics. Pinakadaghang somersault. Mexico!
Oh!
Kani. Best in dramatic performance. Best in dramatic performance. Love it!
Yeah! You won! You won something.
Third minor prize. Kani, third minor prize ha. The most invasive award. Kanang bisag na sa speaker. What is the speaker? Ha? Isa ba na? Ha? Tatay Rani! Kani. Most outstanding award. Oh, sige lang ka out. Sudi. Kali, udah yun. Most exciting lopsided game award. Hapit mapikol. Slide, mag-good slide kaya kung sapatos. May!
Yeah!
Kani, di mo katagalan eh. Most supporting player. Naidaghan na dahil support, diri ba sa ni. Pero ang pinakadako nga ni support, gikan sa bugan, hangtod. Pinakadako nga ni support. Manoy, kan. Kani, katagaan ba na Miss Sunshine Award. Miss Sunshine. Oo. Wala siya ligo. Nanimahong init. Pagod kayo siya, pero naligo na siya. Inday. Kani. Best. Gigutom na tatay. Atong dalion. Best in forma. Forma lang. Ito best forma. May! Kani, the most white player in Team Black. The most white player in Team Black.
Hindi ka na award. The most white player in India.
Kunay, most white player in Team Black. Life, most black player in Team White. Kinsa man? The most... Dili mo, black pa na. Kunay, most white player in Team Black. Kasi, most black player in Team White. Kinsa man? Hala, kumot ka man. Tatay Rani! Kani siya. Mura siya kanang ginikanan ba? Pickleball Parent Award. Sige lang. Ayun, lagi ka. Ipabound. Kinsa mo na? Most Inspired Award. Ngano ka? Kita man. Foto.
Gano ako. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, last. MVP. MVP siya kay baka ano. Iya hamang birthday. Siya may bugasto.
Rare.